a couple of really important things. One has to do with getting pyruvate out of the cytoplasm and on to the next thing. What's the next thing? The mitochondrion. For eukaryotes, it's the mitochondrion. For some bacteria, it's the periplasmic space. So one of the accomplishments of pyruvate oxidation is getting into the mitochondrion. You also said it takes off that carboxyl group. So it takes off that carboxyl group and it gets released as carbon dioxide. Okay, so take a deep breath, release it. 1/3 of that exhalation, that carbon dioxide, is coming from pyruvate oxidation. Where do the other 2/3 come from? Citric acid cycle. Okay. So we release carbon dioxide. We get it into the mitochondrion, it being what's left of pyruvate. What's the other thing we get out of pyruvate oxidation? Electrons. Where do the electrons go? NAD plus is the electron bus taking the electrons to electron camp. So we've got some high potential energy electrons that are going to be going off to electron camp. Okay, and the last thing that happens, so in my mind, the way I think about it is that pyruvate oxidation is kind of like pyruvate getting told, you can't come into the exclusive mitochondrion club until you lose some weight in the form of carbon dioxide, you pay in the form of electrons, and you have an escort in the form of coenzyme A. And only then can what's left of pyruvate go on to the citric acid cycle. Okay, so many textbooks kind of neglect this step. They're kind of like, oh, there's 3 steps, and then this thing that kind of happens between 2 other steps, but pay no attention to that.